It's time for your motherfucking neighborhood Jesus Shades. You're watching Shades Wade.
Well, what's good, guys? We're out here in the garage, freezing to death. Button my jacket up. Jesus Christ, good God. Alright, so it finally arrived, even though I got 2-day shipping from Thursday and it arrived Tuesday, so I'm trying to get my money back for that because that's some bullshit. But work spell, splash, whatever you want to call it, Rapfix quick release, yeah, in red and silver, because yeah, that's the way to go. So let's unbox it. Looks like we got some spacer rings. Oh, ho ho ho. Got some mounting hardware in there. Look at this. Would you look at that? Splash. Works bell. I think the way you put this down so I don't like hurt anything. You hold the button, press it back, locks it. So when you go to put your steering wheel on, so this is the part you'd put on your hub, the adapter, you know, the receiving piece. Here's your other end. I'm still kind of trying to figure out why, I don't quite understand why there's a positive and a negative, maybe for cars that have a positive and a negative horn button, but yeah, mine just has a positive, so it's kind of bizarro. I'm not quite sure. But yeah, let's say, put that back on. Booyah. It's back on. That looks badass. There's your horn spacer ring. Looks like a bunch of Japanese instructions. Anything else? Nope. Alrighty then. That's pretty much unboxing it by me. It's a very nice piece. I mean, the anodized red and the silver, all of it looks really nice. Really qual. Aside from that, ooh, I saw this bad boy. Got my cigarette. So, for any of you guys not watching the live streams, update on my job application and interview. I put in, I put a job application in about 3 weeks ago, almost a month, at O'Reilly. The one I applied at, they closed the position, so I didn't get it. But then I got a call Saturday when I was working on the car, doing the, you know, the trailing arms and painting and restoring the DC5R parts I got. They have another store about 6 miles down the road. They offered me a position as a retail sales specialist. So basically, I went in yesterday for an interview. I got the job. Full-time, 40 hours a week, and possibly overtime. Yeah, pretty happy about that. They start you out at $9.50, but I had $10 desired salary per hour on my application. He actually gave me $10. So, hey, 50 cents already. Booyah. But, it's pretty dope. The way it works is, like, if per month, if you sell $15,000 of, you know, product to customers through you get the commission. That's a 50-cent raise every month. Not saying you have busy months, you have slow months, etc., etc. So, you know, it leaves room for growth. You know, you're already starting at 10, so let's say your first month you get $15,000, you're already up to $10.50, and then the next month you do the same thing, you're already up to $11. So I mean, if you're a good salesman, I mean, in a year you could be up to $13, $14, $15 an hour probably. So it's pretty fucking dope. It is so cold out here. It's ridiculous. Oh, also, Aldo, one of my subscribers, he was asking me about a TPS on the throttle body. I told him I'd sell it for $100, but unfortunately, the TPS right here, the plug is snapped off. See, the thing is fucked. I mean, we got a good map sensor, you got a good idle air control valve, and all that stuff. But yeah, the TPS is fucked. Unfortunately, I might have to locate my old TPS if I still have it. I don't know if that would help him or not. Probably not, because I had to replace my TPS, but you never know if they just went bad for your application or what, really. So yeah, probably the original one I replaced probably isn't any good. It wasn't good for me, so it's probably not going to be good for him, and it is what it is. Yeah. This garage needs a heater. ASAP. ASAP. Updates for this, like, you know, future plans for this garage. Fuck, what I would give to... I feel like I want to work out a deal with that where I can just keep this garage space and clean the rest of this garage up and set up my little workshop out here, you know? Get some fucking workbenches, toolbox, you know, an engine hoist, the works, you know? So if I'm working at O'Reilly, I'll be able to get a good deal on a hoist, on a tool chest, on fucking tools, fucking everything, engine stand, whatever I need, pretty much. So that would be dope. That would be dope. But yeah, guys, I guess let's get to the install. And we're here. All right, guys, so let's get to it. Guys ready for the moment of truth? Well, you got your... Oh yeah, dude. Look at all that space. Dude, this thing looks like a fucking race car now, dude. Look at the clearance. The clearance. Get rid of that spacer. I'm a little upset though. Worksbell, of course, they didn't send me a sticker. Damn, this thing's dope now. I'll open up the garage door so I can do my thing. Hopefully I put it on correctly. start up. I guess it's just because it's so cold. That shit was like sneeze. Alrighty, well, that was a man, that's fucking dope. Dude, that's fucking dope. Take the steering wheel with you guys.
I'm taking my steering wheel, man. Give no fucks. Tokyo Drift.
Man, that's fucking cool. Just hang the steering wheel out the window while you're driving. That'd be fucked. Yeah, I think Cam's right about that tensioner. Definitely sounds like that tensioner. Oh yeah. Yeah. Well guys, in a nutshell, that's the install, but next up on the list, wideband, get rid of this right-hand drive, left-hand drive wiper motor conversion. You know, we're gonna convert it to right-hand drive. That's gonna be fucking dope. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to run this strut tower bar, honestly. I'm not sure. If it comes between that strut tower bar and the group I'll get a new strut tower bar. I'll get an M&M Honda or something like that. I'm not really worried about it. But yeah, I guess I'll catch you guys later. Y'all have a good one. Look at the snow out there, and be y'all. Oh yeah, no more hitting the knuckles. Banging rev limit like it's nobody's business. Hugged right through that fucking spin. Shit. That first gear too, like I really didn't even bang it as hard as you would have thought. That bitch spun right through that bitch and hooked. I thought it was just gonna keep spinning. I